So today, I thought we could go through some of the different words used in American English and British English. For this, I've recruited the help of some of the most famous people from both countries to give you a quick-fire list of 50 words. Are you ready? Here we go. Bangs, fringe, candy, sweets, cell phone, mobile phone, counterclockwise, anticlockwise, zucchini, courgette, turn signal, indicator, eggplant, aubergine, principal, headmaster, license plate, number plate, mailbox, mailman, postbox and postman, truck, lorry, a fanny, a bum, order.